Hello and welcome. Here we are underneath the Itchen bridge. We're just gonna check out the underneath of it, and then oh, there's quite a lot of people sailing today. Well, not sailing. What's the word? Boating. It's a nice day for it. So there's the Itchen toll bridge. It's one big huge bridge across the Itchen, and looking up towards Norton, and underneath the bridge you can see all the new flats at Woolston, the new apartments. That's all recently built in the last 10 years. And in the background you can see the refineries of Fawley. I think they refine oil. So yeah, we're gonna go all the way up there and check out the other side. Turn the motor off. Oh, up we go. Should have a nice view at the top. The toll's only on one side. We've got to go on the road. Come on. Power, thank you. Be hard to pedal otherwise without an e-bike. Coming up to the middle now. Let's take a look. They've got these things if you're feeling low. You can talk to someone. And there's the boaters. Awesome. Yeah, unfortunately some people try to take their own lives over this, so a great view though. And there's St Mary's Stadium, the football home of Southampton Football Club. I wonder if we can cross the other side, have a quick look. Oh, fantastic view on this side. Fantastic, look at that. Well worth getting up in the morning to have a look at that. Well, you can see all that ground they cleared. They're still going to build some more apartments along there. Out the way, Swan. Good exercise. Hey, he's on an e-bike as well. This is all downhill. We don't need to go that fast, we'll just coast. Fantastic view, look at those clouds. Take a long walk, and there's the toll booths. We don't need to pay. I don't think they're manned these days. They're all automated. Right, we're just gonna check out the water's edge. Oh, the gate's closed. Private property. That used to be open, I'm sure it used to be. Oh. Used to go along there. Oh well. We'll check out the other side, that'll be open. There's like an anchor chain. There's some more boaters on this side. Yeah, and there's the bridge from this side. So we're going to go all the way back over again. Imagine living under there with that big shadow every morning, that big thing looming over your house. couldn't imagine that. Well, here we are underneath it. Oh, of course the Spitfire was built here. The Spitfire factory. Right, we're going to go back over, choose the easier steps. And there's the old flour mill. They're planning to knock that down. Those concrete towers over there, not commercially viable anymore. So we're coming back over from the left hand side, and we're past the middle. Oh, she's come back the other way. It's good exercise, I guess, if you live here. Walk up one side and walk back down the other. Right, slow down on the brake. We're going to check out Ocean Village quickly. Here is Ocean Village. It's changed a lot. Ocean Village. Lots of apartments now. Look at that, they made a building, look at that, looks like a boat. They're all the stockbrokers' boats. So where are the clients' boats? It's an old saying. Well, I want to live the Instagram lifestyle. I wonder who owns that and what they do for a living. I do know one of the bigger boats, even bigger than that. The chap actually owns a lot of the car parks around the UK, and that's how he made his fortune. Can we cycle along here? I'll probably get told off. Banana Wharf. That's a new building, that big grey one in the back. Where's the restaurants? Not sure what that was supposed to mean. Yeah, that grey building in the background, that's new. Not sure what that is. Well, that's a huge boat at the back there. Let's have a quick look at it. That's a bigger boat than in this picture. That's how much that boat is. Full record. And now 58,000. There's an old saying, if you buy a boat, it's similar to taking a shower in £50 notes. I wonder if that's true. Oh, you can't get to the water from there. Damn it. Well, I'll get round the other side that way. There's a blue phone box. That's unusual. Oh, it's a book exchange. Any how to get rich books so you can live in Ocean Village? Don't think so. Right, we're probably being watched, so I think we should now leave. Cameras everywhere around here. Nice place to live though. Win the lottery. Well, there's an interesting building. This is 2020, but in 2007 to 08, in the great financial crash, this block of flats was abandoned for about, I don't know, 8 years. It's just an empty shell, but now it's actually finished, so it's interesting to see that. I just want to show you this the Solent Sky Museum, and at the back of it There's this huge like lighthouse boat, Cowshot Spit. This was moved here not that long ago. Awesome. Church is ringing out for its congregation. Cheeky. So this is St. Mary's. Where the hell's he going? Oh, he's going up there. Look at that mural on that wall. A lot of work put into that. It's like Warhammer, but it's not Warhammer. There's the market ground. Laundrette. This area can be rough, so it won't hang about. Used to be like a car boot along there in the old days. On a Saturday. I don't know if that's still running. Look at that. Yeah, car boot in that car park, I think. But they've built houses on there now. Old railway bridge. Well, that's St. Mary's. Let's go under here. Little viaduct. Where are we? I've no idea where we've come out to. That stairway. Let's get out of here. Well, that's pretty much St. Mary's. Well, we're outside the Courts of Justice, and we're going to check out this Copenhagen cycle route. Copenhagen style cycle route, I should add. And it starts here. So it's very European, if you like. Cycle lane, like a separate cycle lane to the road. So it's actually got like a physical barrier, so the cars can't obviously smack you. And there's also a shared cycle route on there. So this goes all the way up to the common. This is one direction only. Oh, they're playing with that little dog. He's thinking, oh, shouldn't be on the cycle route. And apparently we have right of way on these green bits. So a car, if that smacks you whilst you're on here, you've got right of way, but I'm not taking any chances. I think they're still finishing it off with these cones. So yeah, if you're coming back the other way, you've got to be on the other side of the road. I think they could make this two-directional. It's just about wide enough, I think. I mean, there's not that many people using it. So we would join the pavement here. So do I take the left-hand side or the right-hand side? Who knows? It's shared. Dominoes. Always carrying a lot of stuff. And the shared bit gets a bit narrower. I think we're supposed to go down there, but it's not finished yet. So I'm not going to go down there. So I'll stay on the shared path. We've come out to the entrance of Southampton Common, and there's a sign to prove it. So that's the end of that. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.